Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fakhrul Sajib. Welcome back to our Java programming series. This is Java tutorial 18, break and continue statement in Java. First, break statement. Break statement is used when we want to terminate the loop immediately based on some condition. We can use Java break statement in all types of loops such as for loop, while loop, do while loop. Let's do one example. For int I equal 10 semicolon I greater than equal 1 semicolon I minus minus. Suppose if I equal 6, break. Suppose if I equals 6, then I want to terminate the loop. I'm writing the comment out. If the value of I equal to 6, the loop terminates. Then print. To print SOUT, then press tab, iteration. I'm giving one message. Iteration is plus. First it will print 10, then 9, then 8, then 7. When I equals 6, it will break. Loop will be terminated. Save the project, run the project. Let's see. See, we have got our desired output. Iteration 10, 9, 8, 7. When I equals 6, the loop terminates. Now continue statement. Continue. If the value of I equals 6, then continue to next iteration without printing 6. Giving is 6. If I equal 6, then continue to next iteration without printing 6. Let's check. Save the project, run the project. See, iteration 10, 9, 8, 7. When I equals 6, it will not print. Loop will continue to the next iteration. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The continue statement can be used with any other loop also, like while or do while, in a similar way as it is used with for loop. I hope now you understand how to use break and continue statement in Java. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about Java, do not forget to subscribe my channel and Stay safe.